Welcome back. So after a few weeks of searching, finally found a Tenino engine to replace the blown up one. Beautiful you are! Helping us out, good sell lads. The new lump. Out with the old, in with the new. This is a new improved front gas. Uncle Philip's been waving his magic over it, but keeps it nice and contained, stops it sloshing around. Big shout, Uncle Phil. Well, waving his magic. Get up! Get off the floor.
They're not fall out now.
I think I should give it a little tickle, don't you?
Over a month of rebuilding the engine and a lot of kebab brakes, the Class 6 is finally ready for its return. Boom.
That's alright, I've only got a fucking mouth.
3, 2, 1, go. Like crisp. Welcome to another exciting episode. Here we are, sunny Scarborough, spotted new tops, looking suave. Basically, first race out since engine rebuild. Bit of a shakedown weekend, not crazy, just get back in one piece, see what goes on.
It's the Scarborough 742. That's Lucas Whiteley. Now, he's done a poker the colours of his car really Whiteley, so he's got white. So Whiteley with a bit of yellowing. So Lucas Whiteley then, comes from 89. The young rabbit then, good start as well. You're 1-5.
Daft sausage, I missed it. I did swerve to get it, but it's too quick for me. Right, here we go then. So, my car's running in the banana, and off he goes, throws. Just don't want anyone to ram it. I reckon that car's got a problem on board. Is he going to go back in the pits?
Did it bog straight down?
Straight down, mate. To be fair, I won't be a bit knackers out of it though. But as soon as it set off, it just won't clear. Sounds like you're fucking something firing on a couple of fucking cylinders at one point. So what you're thinking that earth's interfering?
Well, it's only interfere when the fan's on is what I'm thinking.
Oh no, but fluffing the fork fan.
Can you make your way up, please? Please, after 11, and then there might be a couple of cars on the line, but
You don't think it's carved up, you say, do you?
Why would they just go so we can start it? We had it when we first put it in, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Right, here we go, punching it all. Off the line. How quick though, that's the question. But, yeah, I thought, I'm just hearing over the radio, Scarborough 87, might have been a little bit quick off the line, but... Onto the touch! Verstappen is... Oh, hold on a minute. Someone's over in the Armco there.
Got to be a red dot.
Yeah, we're going to go red on that. Into the Armco was a little bit, well, it woke me up, so it was a fair clatter, so that made me feel better. Right, here we go then.
Oh no! Anyway, look.
Out to the fast lads here and all, isn't it?
I'm going to time it. What we need, we need to pump it up, don't we, for it? Staying with them.
Just give it up, unsure into that bend, innit?
Hey, what a wiggle of line,
I know. They come back out of it, didn't it? Wait, up there sideways, yeah, go on, lads.
Doing the Grammy Sago special. So, just got back from Scarborough. Bit of a tricky one this weekend. Set off offline, bogged down, didn't want to know, under load. So all that journey, all that messing around after engine rebuild, and I did 3/4 of a lap. So anyway, let's get back to garage on Monday, get the problem solved. I'll see you fastest man.